Hello traders, so you're welcome. This video will teach you how to trade on a MetaTrader 5, or you can call it MT5, right? So now, have you connected your broker to MT5? So this is how you are going to use it. So MT5 is having very many features that can help you to trade conveniently. So first of all, you can add your pairs that you want to trade, right? So here, this is the quotes page that you can add any pair of your choice that you want to trade with. So you just tap here on your quotes page. Then this is where you are going to add the pairs from. You just tap here on this plus sign right here. Okay. So now if you tap right here, now here you can go and search from the symbols right here. You can search any pair of your choice. For example, let me search only one pair. You just put here any pair you want to trade with. Let me say, for example, GBP AUD, right? So they can bring here the pair that you are going to trade. You just tap on this plus sign, then it will be added on your quotes page right here. You can see it, right? Then after adding it there, the next thing is to trade, okay? So now here we have down here where you can see charts, trade, history, and messages. So now here you just sit up on you just tap on any pair that you are trading with. For example, let me first tap on BTC USD right here. When I tap on BTC USD, it will bring here some options, okay? So now there is new order, there is chart, there is properties, depths of market, market statistics, simple view, mode. So you can tap on any that you want. If you want to trade, if you want to make any analysis, you tap on the chart option here. Now, if you want, for example, if you want to enter a new order, for example, you have seen your setup, you have seen where to enter from, you just tap on the new order here to create the order. You're going to see that, okay? So now let's first go to the chart here. On the chart here, it is where you can make your analysis, okay? On the chart here, you can actually change, you can change on any time frame that you want. For example, if you want to trade on M15, minute 15, minute 5, 1 minute, 1 day, any time frame. So what you do here, you just tap on the screen. I said when you want to change the time frame, you just tap on the screen. When you tap on your screen here, okay, they'll bring you here, this one. They'll bring you here, this circle that is having the time frames. Here, you can tap on any time frame that you want to use, right? For example, I want to use a H4 time frame. You just tap on it. Again, when you want to change to another time frame, you just tap on the screen. Then you go to M15. You just tap on it. Just tap on it, right? So that's how you change the time frame. Okay. Another thing, after changing the time frame is done, now you want to enter the trade. If you are new to MT5, how do you enter the trade here? What you do, I said we go here on trade. I said down here we have quotes, charts, and trade history. So you have to tap on trade right there. When you tap on a trade, they'll bring you here the page which will show you balance, equity, and free margin. And here it will show you where it will show you the trades that you have entered. Now let's see how to enter the trade. Here, you just tap on this plus icon on the upper right-hand corner. When you tap on that upper right-hand corner plus icon, it will bring you here the market execution page. On the market execution page, it is where you are going to execute your market. For example, you have seen that the market has reached your zone. It has reached where you want to buy or sell from. What you do here, up here, we have what we call the lot sizes. You can either increase or decrease the lot size. If you want to use, for example, a 0.01, you just, or a 0.02, you just increase to the lot size you want to use. If you want to use the lesser lot size, you just decrease the lot size you want to use. After that here, you can set the stop loss and the TP that you want. For example, here, this side, it is the stop loss. This side, it is the take profit. So you can set the TP and the take profit you want to use. After that, you will see that down here, there is a buy and a sell. After putting the size you want to use, and you have put where you want the market to buy up to, and where, in case the market has gone in the wrong direction, where you want it to stop. Then you either buy or sell according to your risk to reward. Okay? Hope you understanding, guys. Another thing, you can also set a buy order or a sell limit order. Here you just tap on the market execution here. There are very many options here. We have the buy limit and the sell limit. First of all, we are going to first see those things. When you're adding a buy limit, you just tap on the buy limit here. Then here, where there is price, it is where you report your buying limit, guys. Okay? Here, you are saying that when the market reaches on this limit, it will buy automatically without you pressing any trade. Then for the sell limit, also you put where you want the market to reach and it buys, it sells automatically without you setting it. So it is what we call a buy limit and sell limit, guys. So let me try one here. For example, I'm on my BTC USD right here. Let me say here the market is buying. Okay, the market is in the bearish trend, let me say. And I say that yes, I want to buy when the market reaches here. Okay, let me first delete this and I'll show you very well. Okay, here we shall say, okay, let's first set it right here. Here, without even wasting any time, the easiest way that you can set a buy limit and a sell limit is, you look in the upper right hand corner here. We have this thing here. You just tap on it. Okay, you just tap here. When you tap here, they will give you this horizontal line having a sell and a buy limit. You can see you come here on the current market order where the market is selling from. You can see when you go up here, it will set a sell limit. That means when the market goes back here, it will sell automatically. And also when you put it down here in the current market, you will see that it will buy automatically. Here, let me say I want it to buy from here. I will just put this horizontal line right here. Then you can set your stop loss and the TP automatically. This is the easiest one. When you put your buy limit there, you just tap on the sell loss, the stop loss here, and you move to where you want your stop loss to be. And also you tap on the TP and you move it to where your take profit you want it to be. Okay, are you getting that, guys? So now after putting them, you tap on this arrow. After tapping on this arrow, can you see that they have set themselves automatically? That means this is the easiest one. You can see where there is price. It has set itself TP and this is the sell loss and this is the take profit and this is the limit. Then you can press there. When you press, you will see that when you go to your trade, you'll be shown that this is your buy limit that you set. It is the same thing. It is the same thing you can do when you are setting a sell limit. So here on this MT5, you can see your history. This history, it shows your trades that you have taken. Either a loss or a profit, it will be shown here in your history. And the orders here, they'll be shown here. The filled orders and the cancelled orders. And the deals here that they will be shown whether you have bought or you have sold. Okay? So now here, you can see that these are the history that are showing me that I've traded for the last month. And also for the last week, they can show you can just filter to the date that you want to see. Okay? So now, what else? I think here you can also check. You can delete actually the pair that you don't want to use. Deleting the pair, you can tap on this pencil icon. Then you tap on this delete icon. Then you just select the pair that you want to delete. Then you delete it. As easy as that. If this video has helped you guys, and if you have got something today, consider subscribing and giving a like to this video. Share to friends so that they can also benefit.